organic area. Come please. Come inside. Follow me. This is our beautiful organic gardens. This is my tricycle. I can drive with this. It is strong for the tricycle. Here. This is all the frame to make our vegetables hanging organic vegetables. This one is can build a mansion for you. You can follow everything. Now it's gonna be a beautiful garden. This is RJ the Great, the best. Look at this, beautiful. And look, our new eggplant and okra area. This one, look how beautiful, unique it is. This is on in Philippine style. This is made of banana stem, so it's gonna be maintain the freshness of the vegetables, not gonna die too much sunny. Look at this. This is the farm girl doing in Asia. Simple and beautiful. Ciao. This is our little truck here for my cultivation of the rice. This is our Asian lifestyle, how to do gardening, especially in Philippines. We're still doing it manually, not luxuriously. You can do it. You can come here and see our place. You're always welcome. Visit Relaxing Garden Resort. Ciao, Asia, Philippines. part of the banana. And this is all the stems that we're using to cover all these vegetables so it's not gonna die too much sunshine while they're still baby. So this is it. This is the way we do it in Asia, Philippines. This is our life. How to survive in the countryside of the Philippines. Eating organic, fresh vegetables from your backyard and your front yard. This is Zanity Travel Cooking and Culture. Ciao! This is a new one we just covered with the banana leaves because of so sunny and sunshine here to protect for the babies vegetables. We need to cover with this coconut leaves here to protect it from the sun. And this is really a real good herbal medicine. I think if you have a fever, this is really good. When we are a child, we're using this. This is good for the little. Look at this. This is a baby papaya. The leaves of the papaya. Sunshine. So this is the brown coconut that in Europe they're used to eat this, but in Philippines we are eating this green one and drinking the juice. This is the Philippine culture. We drink the green coconut, but in Europe they drink the brown coconut. What a world. So this is my childhood organic snacks here in Asia, Philippines. Look at this, the flower. You see that? Look at this and take it out. Look at this, and like you can eat it like this. Open this. Another one. Look at that. So this is our coconut plantation here in Asia, Philippines. This is the baby coconut. This is gonna be green like this, and this is the way we eat and drink the juice here, the green one, not the brown one. But in Europe they are drinking this brown, and look at inside. Know that there is a certain beautiful things inside. Look, this is only in Philippines. This is Philippines coconut product. This is only in Zani Travel Cooking and Culture. Ciao. Thank you.